50, I'm 18 and she's 50, and we've decided to come today to the Braai Master to just get a bit of experience, a bit of exposure, hopefully win the R500,000. And it's been such great fun here to meet everybody, see the other contestants, see what they're up to, see the different methods, and it's one major learning curve as far as braaiing is concerned. There's so many ideas floating around, there's so many different menus, and it's just been great. The atmosphere has been good. It's really been a wonderful day, and my daughter will now maybe explain the menu that we cooked today.
Okay, so basically we made a chicken liver sausage, which was with some speck fat, right, and some bacon, and we also made malva pudding for dessert. Malva pudding with custard on the fire, which is quite risky, I would think, to make. We also made braai broodjies with fig and blue cheese and kudu biltong, which came out really nice and was a winner here at the Braai Master. We also made Easter varkies with kudu biltong again, and gemsbok mince and biltong wrapped in like a sort of a Easter varkie because of the chopsticks, and then not chopsticks. And yeah, that was our menu for today.
Wat is jullie flyers hier zo? Wat is jullie flyers hier zo? Daar ben ik wel goed aan. Ja.